How to fix YouTube video automatic pause problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search icon. Now search for YouTube. Now tap on the search icon. Now tap on YouTube and make sure to update to the latest version. Once you update, tap on open. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now tap on settings. Now go to general. Now make sure to disable remind me to take a break and go back. Go back to your home screen and open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Go to app management. Now search for YouTube. Tap on YouTube. Click on force stop. Now go to storage usage. Now tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now restart YouTube. I hope this should fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.